Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. We have gone through many videos of image processing. Today's video is innovative about image processing. So let us go through the PPT first. Type of image processing, Scikit Image. Let us see what is Scikit Image. Scikit Image is a free and open source Python library for image processing. It provides a wide range of image processing tools for image segmentation, feature detection, image restoration, etc. In this program, using Scikit, I convert binary image to skeleton image. Skeletonization is useful for various image processing tasks such features extraction, object recognition, pattern analysis, and many more. So let us go through the program. Yes, this is a demo of the program what Scikit is used image processing. It is very short. You might have gone through many programs on CV library, but you might be knowing that every image processing types has different specialities. Now we'll execute the program. I need to convert the image from binary image to skeleton image. Yes, this is binary image and this is skeleton image. So we are successfully done with Scikit image processing of conversion of binary image to skeleton image. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.